Yeah, today I came at the Red Fort. You can see here the water view. This time is the Navaratri, so you can see around me there are many people is here. So this is the Red Fort. So really it amazing view here. So everybody is having fun here, and you can see the view of right now. So this is the Red Fort in Delhi. My God. Amazing, amazing. Yeah, this is the fair here due to Navaratri, and today I came here for visit Red Fort on all area here. I came here first time. Really, I'm feeling so glad now because before this I never came here. Come here. So amazing, yeah. I came here first time. You know,
came here first time.
really, yeah. This is the very wonderful.
You can check,
Yeah.
you can click from photos from here.
Yeah, I'm recording.
You are recording?
Yeah.
Click photo, yeah, man.
So-
why are you doing like that?
So,
Open your
oh
mouth,
yeah,
please.
okay.
Open your mouth.
So now, so
Not open your
so
mouth.
before you came,
Yes.
so when will you come here?
I think 1 week
1 week ago.
ago, yeah.
So that time, did you face any problem during entering inside
No,
the
I
Red
did-
Fort?
I didn't face anything.
So right now you know how to go inside,
Uh, we'll check.
because I don't know more about
I'll get you.
about this place.
I'll get you, no problem. Bro. And here, don't we here?
एक घूमने वाले डाल देते हैं। ये कितनी ज्यादा लाइक है।
Oh my God, we have to ticket. Oh my God. Do you know what's the price of one of ticket?
I think
This is the ticket counters. So first we have to take a ticket, then we can go inside.
India Gems.
So who will go for taking ticket?
I will give
One
you
person go. Kushwas, you can.
Take it. I have to pay online, yeah.
Come. It's okay. We will split the amount.
ऑफिस से कितनी देर में निकलोगे?
And now finally we got a ticket. Now we are going inside the Red Fort. So let's see the checking point. It was a checking point. So now we have entered in the Lal Killa. My God. So Mr. Sagir, how are you feeling? So what do you want to say about this Red Fort?
It is very amazing, and I think everybody should come to see and look.
Yeah, so why do you think that you should go visit for Red Fort? So how did you inspire?
because it is the
And anybody
historical place.
suggests you,
Yeah, it is a historical place, and
yeah.
if we come here and we see it, we will get more and more knowledge about our history.
Yeah, so Mr. Kushwaha sir, do you want to say something about that fort?
Red Fort.
Yeah,
Look, I want.
this is the main gate, right?
Yeah.
So you can see that it's just so big and so hard. And this
So
is the
hard.
top
top. Yes.
in front of main gate. You can see. As I told you that it's my first time. Yeah, so now this is the first gate. Now I'm entering. We are going to into the Red Fort. So this is exit inside of Red Fort. You can see. Oh my God! Amazing, amazing. This is the second door. It's just so tall. Okay, we'll take a picture. Don't worry. Right now, let me worry, not worry. Oh my God, there are many foreigners also here. It's all amazing. Now you can see. Amazing. So wow, wonderful. So now I have reached the middle of Red Fort. So now you can see this is inside area of Red Fort. So there are many shops. You can see. My God, this is amazing. You can see. So this is my first time. So now I am feeling so happy. Now, oh my God, the bot shop here. This is the amazing view. You can say everybody is so excited here, and there are many shops. Oh, there are huge space here. You can walk, running here, and people are visiting here. So, what are you saying? Here's museum.
We have to pay more for museum.
Oh my God, this is the museum, but right now I don't have ticket for entering in the museum because I did not allow this, so that's why. So now I can see here. This is the museum.
इसमें कुछ है क्या?
I don't know.
वो क्या है ये वो?
What is this? That is I lift. So, Khabir, how much did you pay for one person?
80 rupees.
Sorry?
80.
For one person? 80 rupees. So,
I have to give him 80 rupees. He paid.
80 rupees one person.
So I have to give him, okay?
This is the ticket price for that fort. So it may be costly for me. Yeah.
You have to give him 80 rupees.
Yeah, I will go. I'll give you. Yeah, I'll pay online. Okay.
It's your money, yours. Don't
Yeah.
don't
Don't say like this. Yeah. There's a huge space here, no? You can see, yeah. You can walk, running, whatever you want to do here. You can also sit here for peaceful moment. This is the new place. Oh, now you can see the place of king, maybe. This is the Singhasan, you can say. This is the Singhasan, right? So this is the Singhasan of king. My God, totally covered, so nobody can go inside. And this, my God, so it's so huge, so big. Now you can see. Wow, what a way of making, way of building. So everything is amazing and surprising really for me, because it's my first time, so I'm really surprised. Now forward to next place.
wanna go this side.
This side we should go.
Why not? Let's go.
What is that? But we are not aware to about the name of every place, right?
So we should go only, no?
Yeah, that's why. Let's see.
Take photo here.
Of course. This is a new another place, Red Fort. So historical place. My God, you can see. There are very less people here because it's so far from the main gate of Red Fort. But finally we reached here. You can see the roof. This is the way of building. Now here we can see, my God, everything is surprised here. So Sagi, how are you feeling after coming here?
I'm feeling very happy. You can see the.
So this is the main road. You can see, yeah, this is the last point of Red Fort, right?
Not last.
We
point,
cannot
it's
go
the side.
forward.
It's
What?
not last point.
So now I would like to show you about this place. Actually, what's the name? Mumtaz Mahal. So now you can see. This is the Mumtaz Mahal. You can read out. This is the hidden place. You cannot go inside because it's not allowed to go inside. So it's mysterious. Now you can see
Don't throw the bottle of water.
really. So this is the very historical place. You can see. My God, what is this? Khushwas? What's the name of this place?
This place. You can see it.
No, yeah. Now I can. Nehri Behet. Now I'm going to show you about this
Oh yeah.
place.
See,
Nehri Behet. You can see.
yes, I'm gonna visit here.
Yeah. This is the Nehri Behet.
Okay.
This Rang Mahal also.
Some line, okay.
You can write down. Read out here. This is the Now you can see this is the Diwane Khas. So wow. Now you can see this is the Diwane Khas. You cannot go inside this Diwane Khas. There's a mosque there. Yeah. It's the Diwane Khas. My God, you cannot go also. This side not allowed. This is the Khas Mahal. The Khas Mahal, you can see. So beautiful, so attractive. Really wonderful, wonderful. Everybody wants to come here, and I suggest you should visit in your life. One, wow, but you cannot go inside of this place. So way of building, you can see, so beautiful, so attractive. Now you can see the
You can
roof
see,
also. Do you want to say something about this?
Oh, I can say that you can see the picture or the architecture of this wall.
Yeah,
Amazing.
so amazing. Yeah,
It
so
was, it would be very, interesting and very shining when he built.
yeah. But
When
we cannot go
there is
inside.
parrot, yeah.
Yeah, that is the parrot. So we cannot go inside.
You cannot go.
Yeah, not allowed. Maybe you can see na the guard
That's a garden.
is there, so that's why. That's the reason. I don't know what's the
no
reason.
problem. What's
So, but we can see
What is this?
from here.
you cannot
What is this?
This is
Diwane Khas.
Diwane Khas. So, yeah. This is Diwane Khas. So, Sagi, this is the mosque. So, just next to Diwane Khas, there is the mosque. You can see. So, it's also looking so attractive, so wonderful. Now you can show the minar of the mosque. So amazing. So peaceful place, peaceful moment. You can spend here more and more time, and you won't fed up. Now, what is that?
Hammam.
Hammam. Ah, yeah, you can see the hammam. Wow. Wow.
Hammam. This is Hammam.
Hammam. This is the Moti Masjid.
वो पत्थर हटा दिया गया है.
Moti Masjid. This is the hammam. This is the Moti Masjid. Oh, now you can see the oldest place inside of Red Fort. Now you can see, I think the Jalpan Girah. Oh, you can see. So there's no one here. You can see, but this is the part of Red Fort. So in other hand, you can see this building. I don't know what is this. So let me go first. Reach there, Jalpan Girah, but I'm not sure. There are many trees, so here there's so calm climate here. So amazing. Now feeling so relaxing. So now you can see there the oldest building. So let's go toward that side. So Kushwas, oh my god, so oldest.
You would play very much, no? Yes.
Oh my god. Look, so
Start, sir.
the oldest place here.
Amazing. Oh, wow.
So what's the name of this place, Kushwas? What the?
This is the door, outside door.
Yeah. This is the last.
Not a door, it's a boundary.
Yeah, it's a boundary. So behind this place, you can go outside, but not from here. Not allow go from here. So, but this is the last ball, you can say. Yeah. Here is a canteen. You can see there many people are sitting there and having food, having fun.
This side we want to go.
You can show also armies over here.
Remember or not?
Here for our security. Oh, this is the exit gate. Now you can see this is the exit gate. जा नहीं सकते सर इधर.
Come this side, take video. This is the another
We cannot go from here, so we have to choose another way to go to outside. So because there are some rules, so we can't break the rules. This is the exit gate actually, but he's not allowing us. Yeah.
You will not go this side?
Yeah, let's go there.
This side or that side? Not enough space. Okay? चलिए मुस्ताक सर भेजेंगे मैं हम लोग सब.
Yeah, I'll send you. Okay.
अरे हम लोग
ना.
को लीजिएगा वीडियो में तब लीजिए. खाली तो आप उधर
You can share.
हम लोग क्या ऐप नहीं कर रहे हैं
So
वीडियो.
Kushwas sir,
इससे पता चलेगा.
what do you want to say about this place? So what do you think?
हाँ?
What do you think about?
What I want to say?
Yeah.
I want to say that let's go for having something here. Wanna
Yeah,
say?
let's go.
Wanna have something?
Yeah. This is the
I know.
canteen.
I know you always be ready. That's why I told you. But we don't have to go actually, right?
Let's go.
Oh, wanna go?
Yeah.
What would you like to have here?
Let's see.
Wanna
Yeah.
say? Call him.
Let's go. This is the canteen. You can see.
Oh,
Yeah, momos. But there are many options. Should be here
I think
so that we can the chole